Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the dark world of hacking to uncover how hackers bypass two-factor authentication and how you can protect yourself against it. Remember, this information, this knowledge is strictly for educational purposes. Don't use it on anyone without their permission. And remember, always to stay ethical and use these techniques only for authorized security testing. Now, let's get started. But before that, do like to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with anyone who might need it. Now, you might be wondering what two-factor authentication is. Two-factor authentication is a security process that requires users to provide two different identifications to verify the identity by using something you know, something you have, and something that you are. Right inside and know how hackers bypass two-factor authentication or the techniques used to bypass this two-factor authentication, and also how you are going to protect yourself against two-factor. Number one, phishing attack. Hackers create fake login identical to the original ones. They trick you into entering your credentials like your username, your password. Now, they trick you through email, SMS, or clever social engineering tactics to get your two-factor authentication code. How are you going to protect yourself against this attack? Always double check URL and be cautious of unexpected logins requests from any form of your social media account or your bank account. Number two, season hijacking. This is done by exploiting vulnerability like cross-site script or cross-site request forgery. Hackers can steal season cookies. With these cookies, they can hack or they can bypass your two-factor authentication and access all your accounts. How are you going to protect yourself against this attack? Always regular update your software. Any kind of software that you are using, make sure you update it. And use strong and unique password to mitigate this risk. Number five, man-in-the-middle attack or the MIT attack involve intercepting communication between you and your authenticating server or authenticator server. Hackers capture your two-factor authentication code and use it to authenticate themselves. How are you going to protect yourself against man-in-the-middle attack? Always encrypt your communication channel with HTTPS and use secured verified network, and it will help you to protect yourself against man-in-the-middle attack when bypassing your two-factor authentication code. Number four, biometric spoofing. Biometric authentication like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning can be smoothed. Hackers use sophisticated techniques to bypass this system. Yes, how are you going to protect yourself or your company? Make sure your biometric system are advanced and always they are kept up to date. They are what? Up to date, or they are updated. Always update them regularly. Number six, SMS interception. SMS-based two-factor authentication is vulnerable to intercept. Hackers exploit weakness in the SS7 protocol used by telecom operators to intercept messages. How are you going to protect yourself against SMS interception? One, consider using app-based authenticator instead of SMS for added security. Number seven, using malware. Malware can capture two-factor authentication code or two-factor authenticator app secretly, allowing hackers to bypass your two-factor authentication code. And how are you going to protect yourself against it? Always keep your device secure with up-to-date antivirus and avoid downloading from untrusted websites or untrusted applications. Number eight, which is the last one, social engineering techniques or attack. Hackers use social engineering tricks to trick you into revealing your two-factor authentication code or two-factor authenticator app. How are you going to protect yourself against social engineering techniques or social engineering attack? Always be cautious of unsolicited requests, and also make sure you verify or you check the sender request before, if you have to give out your PIN. But it is not even advisable to give out your secret code to anyone. It is very, very important not to give your secret code to anyone. Remember, the goal for understanding these techniques is to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities, not to exploit them. Always perform security testing with explicit permission and stay ethical. If you find this video very helpful, do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with anyone. Remember to stay safe, stay informed, and Alhamdulillah.